Please, don't you go, baby. No, no, no.
Hey, mister, that was a hell of a set. Really fantastic.
Thank you. Right on. Right
Yeah,
on.
that's a beautiful instrument you got there.
Thank you. Yeah. You know, it's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears.
Oh, yeah.
That I put into this thing here.
Oh yeah. You know, I'm trying to save up, maybe buy myself one someday
Right on. Yeah.
while I'm working here.
So you a jazz lover then?
Oh, absolutely. I just you know, it's hard to make time to play. Gotta pay the bills.
Right. Yeah. I hear that. You know, let me tell you a little story.
I was the third brother of five, doing whatever I had to do to survive. I'm not saying what I did was alright. Trying to break out of the ghetto was a day-to-day fight. Being down so long, yet nothing crossed my mind. But I knew there was a better way of life, and I was just trying to find. You don't know what you do till you put under pressure. Across 110th Street is a hell of a tester. Across 110th Street, pimps trying to catch a woman that's weak. Across 110th Street, pushers won't let the junkie go free. Across 110th Street, woman trying to catch a trick on the street. You bet. Across 110th Street, you can find it all in the street.
Wow. That was beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Listen, you remind me of myself, my younger self, you know? So, I want you to have this. Well, there, take it.
Are you sure?
You know, it's been a hell of a ride, and it's time for me to pass my legacy on, so take care of it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good luck.